Yeah, you walking like a daydream, looking like a painting. You could have been seen hanging in the loop. A perfect silhouette of everything I dreamt of flashed before my eyes, and I knew it was time. I don't know why I was surprised. You rolled your eyes at my bad pickup line. I was relieved when you left and you said you'd give me a second chance. So it happens on a whim, love's a happy accident. Painted on the skyline, put it in the headlines. Out of all the good times with everyone in my life, honey, you're my highlight.
Left and double dared me to try something that scares me. We stunk out past curfew, got tattoos matching on our forearms, permanent good luck charms. Happy right where we are, covered by the moon. I still recall our second date. I was nervous in theater 8. You kissed my cheek, and it seemed that everything I need could be right in front of me. Oh, it happened on a whim, was a happy accident.
Painted on the skyline and printed in the headlines. Out of all the good times and everyone in my life, honey, you're my highlight. And come tomorrow sunrise, we'll be sitting in the limelight. And out of all the good times and everyone in my life, honey, you're my highlight. Honey, you're my highlight. You know it's true. I don't know how, I didn't see why. It was always you and I, sipping on cheap while it's sunrise. All it takes is one night to rearrange your whole life. It happens on a whim, love's a happy accident. So paint it on the skyline and put it in the headlines. Out of all the good times and everyone in my life, honey, you're my highlight.